Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Kings 11 Punjab and Delhi Capitals. While Delhi enjoy the comfort of being in the top 4, Punjab has just found winning ways and will be looking to close the points gap between them and the teams on the top 4 to keep their hopes alive. The two teams have locked horns 25 times before, with Punjab winning 14 of those games. Here is how the Fantasy 11 of this game looks like. KL Rahul. KL Rahul has been in sublime form this season. He has been the Mr. Consistent with the bat and has the highest run so far in the tournament. He has got starts in almost all the games that he has played, and he will play a massive knock this game as well. This makes him the captain of R11 and also the first pick. Chris Gayle. The universe boss Chris Gayle announced his return to IPL with a blistering knock of 53 to take Kings 11 Punjab home. Although he is not opening anymore, he will still be looking to be equally important as he is looking to be in the groove to play a long innings. This makes him our second pick. Mayank Agarwal. Mayank Agarwal has been the second highest run getter this season so far. He bats really well with KL Rahul and they give Kings 11 Punjab the perfect start that the team needs. His massive strike rate on the top of the order shows how destructive he can be with the bat, and this makes him our third pick. Ajinkya Rahane. Ajinkya Rahane has tons of potential. He has played massive innings in the past for his teams. This season, he has not been performing to the best of his abilities in the limited chances that he has received. He will be looking to make the most out of this match to solidify his position in the team. This makes him our fourth pick. Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar Dhawan has been batting beautifully this season. He seems to be unstoppable at the top of the order. His stomping knock of 100 against CSK would have boosted his confidence further, and he will only be looking to get more runs to his name. His ability to single-handedly win games for his side makes him our vice captain and also the fifth pick of R11. Akshar Patel. Akshar Patel has been a decent all-rounder. He is an explosive batsman down the order, and his bowling this season has been extraordinary with an economy rate of just 5.59. His ability to dry up runs and put pressure on the batsmen results in him getting wickets. This ability of his grants him the sixth spot in R11. Marcus Stoinis. Marcus Stoinis has been in tremendous form this season. He is striking the ball brilliantly and he is bowling equally well even in the death overs. He has a towering strike rate and his ability to be useful with both the bat and the ball equally makes him our seventh pick. Arshdeep Singh. Arshdeep Singh has played only 4 matches this season and he has looked to be promising. He has wicket-taking potential and he can use his height to his strength. He can prove to be a threatening bowler in this game, and this makes him our 8th pick. Ravi Bishnoi. Leg spinners have been performing very well this season and Ravi Bishnoi is no different. The young man has great line and has the potential to contain runs and take up wickets with his variations. He has picked up 9 wickets with an economy rate of just 7.90 this season, and he will be a player to watch out for. He thus makes the 9th pick for this match. Anrich Nortje. Anrich Nortje has been in great form this season. With 12 wickets to his name in just 9 matches this season, he looks to be a threatening bowler. He also has a very low economy rate of just 7.70 this season, and this makes him our 10th pick. Kagiso Rabada. Kagiso Rabada has been a very confident player ever since his performance in the Super Over this season. He has been a very difficult bowler to go after, and he will play a crucial role in the containing of the batsmen of Punjab. He has 19 wickets to his name already this season, and he leads the Purple Cap. Yorkers are his strength, and he bowls at a fast pace, making him a threatening bowler to face, which makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who we believe will take the highest fantasy points by impacting this game the most. Who is your favorite pick? Let us know down below.